Good morning, boys and girls. I'm excited to be here this morning to do our morning meeting with you again. We're going to start out with a fun greeting. It's kind of another weather greeting since it's still weather week and we've been learning and watching some videos about different kinds of weather. Let's do a rainbow greeting today. So to do a rainbow greeting, you just need your hand and you're actually going to make the shape of a rainbow as you say good morning. So you're going to cross your arm over your body like this and you're going to make a big rainbow shape like this. And as you do it, you're going to say good morning. Let's try it on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Well, thank you for saying good morning to me, and I hope you heard me say good morning to you. Let's go ahead and read our message. Today's date is April 23rd, 2020. Dear readers, you have been doing a great job sharing seesaw posts. Do you like learning from home? Today you will be writing with Mrs. Rose, making words with Mrs. K, and creating art with Mrs. Gruber. How many can you find in this message? So as I was reading, maybe you heard some of the words that have that ng ending, that ng. So if you look carefully, I want you to count right now before I circle them. I'm going to give you a moment. You could even pause the message, and I want you to count how many ngs you can find in the message. And when I say ngs, just in this part right here. All right, go ahead and count. All right. If you didn't have enough time to count, you can always pause it, but I'm going to go ahead now and circle all the ngs. So if I look at the top, there aren't any ng endings, but if we look here, oh, I see one right here. I'm going to go ahead and circle this one. All right, let's go to the next line. I don't see any yet. Oh, there's one. I see another ng ending. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Lots of words have an ng in them. Oh, there's another one. I have to keep my eyes open. They're everywhere. All right, I'm going to keep going. Oh, there's another one. All right, let's see if I can find any more. Nope, I don't think, I'm not going to circle this one because that was the one that I told you about. So let's go ahead and count how many ngs are in this message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you could think of other words that have an ng ending in them. Well, today your seesaw attendance post, so that I can mark you at school, is to tell me about another book you read. For example, I'm going to model how that would look. You could send me a video, you could send a picture with a caption, or you could just type it in your inbox or in your student journal and have mom or dad help you type it out. So I'm going to practice. I'm going to tell you about a book I read. I read The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. It was about a pigeon who really, really wanted a puppy until he met the puppy. And I don't want to give away the ending, but my favorite part is when he says all the reasons why, and he begs the reader why a puppy would be a good pet for him. This is a really fun book, so if you've never read it, I really recommend it. So that's how you can tell me about a book that you've read. All right, we're going to do our last part on our message, and that's our student shout out. And today it's going to be a boy. And this boy is really good at building with Legos. This boy's name starts with an S, and they have an M at the end of their name. This boy is a really fast runner, and he's very, very kind. So can you think about who this person is today? It is Solemn. Solemn, you are our student of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and write Solemn's name. I'm going to start his name with an uppercase S, okay? Then he has an A in his name next, an L, an I, and an M. So So that's how you write Solemn's name. Now we're going to add up the letters in Solemn's name by first looking for the vowels. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. So I see an A right here. I'm going to go ahead and circle the vowel A. I'm going to circle the I. Oh, and I noticed Solemn has an A, B, A, B, A pattern in his name with consonants and vowels. All right, let's count up the vowels. 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2 vowels on the first line, and then I'm going to count the consonants. Those are the ones I didn't circle. 1, 2, 3. So he has 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Let's use our fingers if you want. You don't have to, but it's okay if you do. 2 plus 3 more. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5. Solemn has 5 letters in his name. All right, are you guys ready to do a big shout out for Solemn? Remember, you're going to make your body go crazy and loud, except if you have a sleeping baby at home, then you can just pretend to be crazy and loud. And you're going to give a big shout out to Solemn by saying, "Good morning, Solemn. I hope you have a good day." And you could say whatever else you want to say to him. All right, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Solemn. We hope you have a good day. We miss you and hope you have fun learning today. Bye, Solemn. So I hope Solemn will like his video for today. We're going to keep going. Here we go. All right, sorry, my computer was taking a little bit of extra time there. All right, today we are going to write in the date. And yesterday was Earth Day. I hope you all got outside and got to do something fun outside. Yesterday was the 22nd, and you can see we are now in the 20s. So we have 20, 21, 22. We're going to write a 23, a 2, and a 3 today. All right, then we're going to go up to the top and we're going to move our arrows so I don't forget. They're going to move one step over in the reading direction. Then we'll be able to tell about today. So today is Thursday. That means the day that came before Thursday was yesterday, Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday, the last day of our distance learning for this week. All right, let's think about our pattern. I'm going to start kind of back here because I like to start a little bit further back. We have cloud, egg, bunny, chick. Cloud, egg, bunny is going to come today. All right, I wonder what pattern will come tomorrow. Let's go on to our weather. I checked my weather app this morning on my phone and it said it's going to be partly sunny today. So I kind of like this one where there's a little bit of clouds, but mostly sunny. So I'm going to put a sunny one, and sunny one went into the lead. Yippee! All right, let's keep going. Ooh, we're going to mark the temperature for today. And on my phone it said today's temperature will be 61. Ooh, I yesterday wrote 63, so I know 60 starts with a 6, and I hear 1 in 61. Remember, it means, this little symbol means degrees, and this means Fahrenheit. So now I'm going to find 61 on my thermometer by counting by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I think 61 is going to be just right above 60, don't you think? We're going to fill it in. It's really close to actually 63 on the thermometer too. All right, so if I fill this in, let's look at our pattern. It started 54, then 47, it kind of went down, then it went back up, 63, and then it's going down just a little bit to 61. But now the temperature has been kind of staying warmer towards the end of the week, and we'll have to find out what happens tomorrow with our temperature. All right, the next part is our tallies, and we had 15 tallies I can see for how many days we've come to school in April. So today I get to start a new row of tallies. So I'm going to make one right here, and we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, plus one more is 16. And to make a 16, I'm just going to erase the 5 because 16 is a teen number. I don't need to erase the 1. And I'm going to put a 6. And there we have 16 days of school in April. All right, the last part is today I thought maybe we could do a song today for counting by 10. So this is the way that we're going to get our brains warmed up for learning today, our bodies ready. So let's do climbing the mountain. And if you remember this one, this one's a
Kids,
fun
I think it's time we go on a little hike together. Only on this mountain, we're gonna be counting by tens.
Get your
Brace
hiking
yourselves,
gear on,
kids, because
your
as we go
boots,
up this
your
mountain,
coat,
we're counting
your
up to
hook,
100 by
whatever you need.
tens.
Here
Get
we
your
go.
backpack. Don't forget your water bottle. It's hiking time.
Here we go. We're climbing up the mountain. Ready? Here we go.
I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting my
All right,
tens.
guys, ready?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good job, guys. Uh-oh.
Whoa, did you see that mountain lion?
I would want to see a
It
mountain
bear.
lion or a bear.
Let's be sneaky and
Ready?
find out. Oh, never mind, it was just a pine tree.
It's a
Let's
pine
keep
tree.
hiking.
Here we go.
2, 3, 4.
March.
2, 3, 4. I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting by tens.
Ready? Here we go.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hey now, this is getting steep. And wow, look at those birds. They're beautiful.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Let's get our climbing ropes and
Okay,
go
get the
all the
climbing
way
rope.
to the top.
Your backpack,
Here we
your
go.
hooks. Here we go.
I'm climbing up this mountain from beginning to end. And as I do my climbing, I'm counting by tens.
Ready?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
We made it!
We made it!
Great job, everybody. We made it. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this little part. Oh, I'm going to cancel that. There we go. Now I can see everybody. Well, I hope you have a great day of learning. And don't forget to tell me about a favorite book or a book that you read today. Bye, guys. Have a great day.